life. Some students say that it's hard.
But is it really that hard?
That's why we asked some students of Sky College Lipa
About their opinions and experiences.
Disclaimer: due to privacy reasons, we decided not to show our names.
What's your expectation in your college life?
Of course, hard. Kasi syempre wala namang madaling course din ngayong college. Yun lang.
How's your college life so far?
It's good, mahirap, pero yun nga, like what I've said, wala ngang madali na course. So, nakakaya din naman.
Are you enjoying your college here at STI Lipa?
Nag-enjoy din naman ako kasi I have lots of friends and I'm meeting new people. So far, masaya naman siya.
Why did you choose this course?
I choose this course because it's in demand and talagang ever since I love spending time with computers and I want to know more about hardware and software.
What was the biggest challenge as a student?
Ang biggest challenge siguro is yung pressure na ikaw lang ang gumagawa sa sarili mo. Kung ikaw lang ng pressure sa sarili. So, yun lang naman yung parang hardest sa akin.
How will you overcome this challenge?
Kasi may coping mechanism ako sa tuwing stress ako and doing some things na talagang mahirap. I just siguro nagra-run lang ako, tumatakbo ko, jogging and spending time with myself.
What makes you motivated?
My family and my loved ones, yun po.
What advice would you give for students to enjoy their life in college?
Ang advice ko lang ay don't be so hard on yourself, enjoy things that you love dati. Wag focus lang sa studies mo and sa academics mo. If you love to sing, you can sing, enjoy the things na ginagawa mo dati. Pwede mo pa rin siyang gawin. Wag mong pagkatutukan yung studies mo palagi na yun na lang ng yun.
Thank you. What's your expectation in your college life?
Hard and challenging po.
How's your college life so far?
Hard but kakayanin naman po.
Are you enjoying your college here at STI Lipa?
Yes po, dahil po marami po nagkakaroon na kaibigan po at enjoying naman po yung ibang lesson po sa ibang subject.
Why did you choose this course?
To follow my father's footsteps to becoming an engineer.
What was the biggest challenge as a student?
Marami pong hindi ko po masabi. Pero po, pinaka-challenging po sa akin ay ang calculus po. Siyempre.
How will you overcome this challenge?
Work hard and stay motivated po.
What makes you motivated?
For the family and kaya po kasi sabihin nito para po din sa kanya.
What advice would you give for students to enjoy their life in college?
Stay motivated lang po, tapos be positive po. Kakayanin naman po natin ito, kaya enjoy lang po natin ang college life po natin hanggat na bata pa po naman tayo. Yun lang po.
Thank you.
Ang very expectation ko po sa college life is yung nga pong about sa knowledge, madidepend pa po yun, pabobroaden. Tapos about naman po sa social life po, magkakaroon yung interactions po about po sa mga college activities, more expressive na po yung mga college life po. Ganun.
How's your college life so far?
Ang college life ko po naman po ay kinakaya pa po. Tapos, about naman niya po sa mga kaklase ko ngayon, unti-unti ko po sila nakikilala. Kumbaga po, nagiging close na po rin kami.
The question is, are you enjoying your college here at SCID?
I'm enjoying naman po kasi po, new environment lang. Dahil ngayon po, wala po akong mga naging kaklase ko po last time sa mga senior high. Kumbaga po, very new environment po sa akin na talagang
The first question is, what is your
course po, BSCPE po. Computer Engineering.
why did you choose this course?
Ginus ko po ang course ko po kasi nag-a-align po siya sa interest ko po about technology. Tapos, ito din po yung pinaka-choice ko po since high school.
The fifth question po is, what was the biggest challenge as a student?
Ang biggest challenge po is yung mga subjects nga po, lalo na po yung mga majors. Kasi ako po kasi para sa akin, ang pinaka-hate, hindi naman po hate, pinaka-dislike po pong subject is chemistry, which is talaga pong hindi ko po talaga siya kinakaya. Kumbaga, humihingi po akong tulong, which is nakaka-improve po ng ako.
How will you overcome this challenge?
Na-overcome ko po siya, which is sa way po ng paggagawa. Ginagawa ko po yung nagpapasaya sa akin, which is yung mga hobby ko, kagaya po ng pagbabasa ng mga webtoons po. Kumaga po, escape for reality for a while, but babalikan mo pa rin po pagka ready ka na.
What makes you motivate?
What makes me motivated nga po, parang yun na rin po yung pampa-escape ko po. Yung parang pagbabasa ko nga po, kumbaga yung pag-escape nga po minsan sa reality. Pero pagka nakaya mo na yung mga, gumaan na yung pakiramdam mo, parang pwede mo na siyang balikan para ma-solve mo ulit.
Last question, what advice would you give for students to enjoy their life in college?
Ang pinaka-advice ko lang pong mabibigay is do your best po para pursue your dreams.
The first question po is, what's your expectation in your college?
Expectation ko sa college life is dito natin i-apply yung natutunan natin in senior high.
How's your college life so far?
So ngayon ako'y nahihirapan mag-adapt dahil ako'y yung student na napunta sa course ng BSCB.
Are you enjoying your college life here at SCID?
So far, naman. Madami akong natuto ako makipag-interact sa iba katulad ng tinatanda ko sa segundo. Saka sa, mga new friends.
As you said nga po, BSCP po kayo. Why did you choose this course?
Kaya ako naging CP dahil hindi ako pinayagang maging seaman. Seaman talaga ang aking gusto. Tapos, napunta ako dito.
What was the biggest challenge as a student?
As a student, yung mga gawain, dahil sa amin, madami kaming gawain masyado. Tapos hindi namin natatapos agad.
How will you overcome this challenge?
Sa time management, doon kami, natututo kami ngayon, mag-time management dahil nga ang dami namin gawain.
What makes you motivated?
Motivated ay family. Yun.
Last question po is, what advice would you give for students to enjoy their life in college?
Yun. Gawin nilang, pagsabayin nilang pag-aaral tsaka pagsasaya. Enjoy lang nilang mga gawain.
What's your expectation in your college?
Ang expect ko sa college, madali yung mag-transition sa adulthood habang nag-aaral pa ako dito.
Second question is, how's your college life so far?
Okay lang naman. Minsan puyat.
Are you enjoying your college life here at SCID?
Yes. Kasi magagaling naman mga klase ko, mababait. Minsan madali makipag-cooperate. Okay lang.
BSISIT. Why did you choose this?
Why did you choose this? First, purely based on interest.
What was the biggest challenge as a student?
Yung kailangan mong makapag-submit agad ng ng mga homework, assignments, projects, dapat within deadline.
How do you overcome this challenge?
Parang managing time, parang nag-schedule ka na agad. Kailangan mo na mag-prepare ahead of time, mag-review agad. Tapos, dinidiscipline sa sarili.
What makes you motivated?
Walang motivation pero parang para lang ma-achieve yung goal na makapagtapos lang.
What advice would you give for students who enjoy their college?
Work hard lang, tas discipline, tas wag masyadong mag-alala, chill lang. Matuto lang mag-chill.
Thank you. What's your expectation in college?
Ang expectation ko, hindi siya magiging madali pero sa tingin ko is kaya naman through dedication and perseverance lang.
Second question. How's your college life so far?
How's my college life so far? So far so good naman, natututo naman ako and nade-develop din yung skills ko related sa course ko ngayon.
Are you enjoying your college here at STI?
So ngayon, hindi ko pa siya masasabi na parang na-enjoy ko talaga siya. Pero nag-enjoy naman ako, hindi ko pa lang siya, kumbaga, parang yung fully enjoy.
As a BSIT student, why did you choose this course?
Siguro actually hindi ko naman talaga planong mag-BSIT. Kaso yung course na hinahanap ko is hindi siya in demand. So syempre kailangan din natin sumabay sa kung ano yung demand ng ekonomiya para hindi naman masayang yung ating pinag-aralan.
What was the biggest challenge as a student?
Biggest challenge? Siguro yung sabay-sabay na activities, kailangan mo lang talagang magtiyaga and yung dito sa as an STI student, syempre may tuition tayo. Siguro yung financial din.
How will you overcome this challenge?
Through dedication and perseverance, mag-advance study ka para ka din. When it comes to financial naman, marami diyang nagpo-provide na scholarships and mga financial assistance. Pwede naman tayo maglakad.
What makes you motivated?
My parents. Sila yung parang naging dahilan kung bakit ako nagsisipon.
What advice would you give for students to enjoy their college, their life in college?
Choose your friends wisely. Doon tayo sa alam nating mag-aangat sa atin. Huwag tayong sumama dun sa basta. Alam natin na wala tayong patutungo.
What's your expectation in your college?
Ang expectation ko sa college, madali lang. Yung ng mga pinsan ko kasi dati, yung parang pa-petics lang sila dati. Ganun.
How's your college life so far?
My college life so far is so hard kasi ang dami naming gawain. Tapos puro computation, gano'n. Tapos yung mga nasabay pa yung mga minor subjects. Sobrang stress.
Are you enjoying your college life here at STI?
So far, 50-50 para sa akin kasi I'm na-discriminate ako dito. Ganun. Pero ayaw ko na lang i-share kung paano ko na-discriminate.
BSBA nga po. Why did you choose this course?
Para lang sa akin, gusto ko kasi magtayo ng business. Kasi ang business ay coffee shop na ay patangan ko sa aking tindahan.
What was the biggest challenge as a student?
Yun nga yung mga puro project dito sa mga minor at saka major subjects na bawat sa kayo at puro yung parang puro struggles talaga yung mga subject na hindi mo alam kung ano yung topic
Siyempre, aaralin mo sa your mind.
How will you overcome this challenge?
Para sa akin wala, minsan nag-aaral lang din. No? Aral lang ng aral, gano'n. Basta lang ng basa, para makapasa, gano'n.
What makes you motivated?
Kung nagmamotivate sa akin ng family ko. Kasi, ang ate ko yung nagpapaaral sa akin para kasi wala nakatapos sa amin ng pag-aaral. Parang ako yung pinupursyon nila na makatapos ng pag-aaral. Kasi wala ka talaga nakatapos sa amin.
Last question. What advice would you give for students to enjoy their life in college?
Kung sa mga in first year college dito sa State, yung nasabi ko lang, go lang ng laban lang ng laban and huwag magpapa-apekto sa sasabihin ng iba. Yun lang.